Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna to show how to use Azure ArcGIS Maps SDK for Swift, how to start your first application uh, using the SDK, put a map view on your application using the Swift UI, and introduce the uh, license and the SDK API. Okay, let's quickly go through the website. Excel will have a tutorials about display a map, and then everyone could follow this. You follow them to add the to create a new project and add the dependency of the package. And there is the important thing is you need to set your API key. That was a key to initial the accessibility for the ArcGIS server to about every features from ArcGIS from the S3, and then you could add the map. That was a Swift UI um, map view, and then it will show up as a map. Okay, I will have an example to show this map in my Xcode. How it is, I already created a new project and added the dependency. Yeah, you can do it by adding a dependency, and also I created my own API key. Yes, that was similar with the other SDK API key. You could directly on your account on the location platform and to access your own key. You could create your own key by logging your portal website to generate the API key. Yeah, create a new item. That's similar with my previous video talk about the Java SDK, a script SDK API key. And then you put the API key in the code. I directly put there. When initial this application, set the API key here for the ArcGIS environment .api key equal API key that will be visible on previous. You do not need to start the simulator, or you do not need to write on your phone. It's easy to review the function on the previous preview mod, which you could easily to access the view here. And but actually, there is another issue you should pay attention is there is a word license for the lesson for developer use only. That would be not a production mode, right? You need to remove this sentence because you want to put the production publicly. So here is another idea about concept about get lesson. How to get lesson in the previous start to use the SDK. It only mentions the API key. It's SDK API key, but it didn't mention the lesson. The lesson need to be setting on the another page, lessons and deployment. It would introduce what is a lesson, because lessons got divided in the several level, 4 levels. They have different features, different functionality to limit the user to use the application, and of course you limited the developer to developing their application. You could quickly review their light, basic, standard, advanced, what's the capability here. And for current version, the light is free to use. If you want to use some advanced feature, you need to reach out with the Azure and maybe pay a bill to access that. Then you could use the lesson in your application. They will generate a light license string, and I could put the license string here. Yeah, I mean, come on. Yes. Yeah, it works. When I put the license key here, I using the string from the website, then it could um, use the license key to remove the sentence. Yeah, that would be the approved to access the SDK's component or view to perform your functionality. Okay, that's it. I think in this video you could know how to set your API key, and also another idea about the license key, make your application be public use, make it be a production version with two type of the key. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.